This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I am on their Unit 3, which is Animation and Games. I'm on Lesson 6, which is all about sprites, and Part 9. Let's see what we're doing. Click this to open the Animation tab. Okay, I guess click this. There we are. Oh, okay. And so here are some of our options for animations. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and I guess close it by clicking back over here. All right, images. Over on the Animations tab, you'll see 3 images, that have been uploaded for you. You can get to the Animations tab by clicking the Animations button above the display area right there. Once you've created a sprite, you can use the sprite.setAnimation command to change the look of your sprite from a rectangle to a picture. Oh, so it starts interesting. All the images you have loaded in the Animations tab show up in the sprite.setAnimation dropdown. The alien is set up for you as an example. Do this. The alien. Oh, okay. Do this. Change the sprite to your favorite image from the Animation tab. A sprite that is set to an image has already been created for you. Run the code to see how it works. All right, so they named theirs Cool Sprite. They set it, and remember, sprites are drawn from their center, so 300, 300 will be the center of the animation. Cool Sprite, and always remember, you have to tell the computer what to draw first, and then at the bottom becomes the draw command. And that's different than the fill command, right? Fill would need to go at the top because you tell which paint to pick. But here you need to tell it what to draw first. Draw goes at the bottom. Let's go ahead and hit run and see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so down in this corner, right? 300, 300 at the center. Let me pick my favorite. Well, we saw the bunny in the last one, so I'm going to pick Flybot. So I'm just going to change this over. And I should be able to leave this because this just tells it where we want the animation. Oh, look, and we can go ahead and select it ourselves. And the B is capitalized, so pay attention to that when you're writing variables or selecting animations. All right, change the set animation command. Try out all of the images. Okay, cool. Run. I like the Flybot. All right, and then let's go ahead and try the bunny. Yep, there they are. Cool. All right, let's keep going.